Alright, I'm going to be trying to add a quick connect for propane on a Grand Design 2021 Momentum 397TH-R. Down here is where we're going to be working, and we're going to duplicate that quick connect right there by removing the plug that is on the end and replacing it with a T joint and putting another quick connect on there, and then we'll be able to connect a hose to that. I've released all of the gas, burned it off at the stovetop, and so that is a safety check to make sure there's no gas before starting this. Safely configured underneath the rig. First thing I'm going to have to do is pull the two silver screws so that I can get this lifted up so I can turn that one, mainly to get the T or the elbow in there. I'm going to leave these connected until I can loosen up the plug with this one. We'll be using an 11/16 socket to remove the plug and a 3/8 inch socket to remove the screws. I'll be putting the PTFE propane tape around the threads before putting it on. Alright, we got the elbow on. And then we had to connect an adapter for the quick connect to connect to that. So we've got a lot of connections here. So now we have the full connection. We have the elbow here, the adapter going from 3/8 to 1/4 here, and then the 1/4 quick connect here. Now that we have everything reconnected, the screws are all in place, we need to check to make sure there's no propane leaks. Alright, no sign of a leak, so now we're going to take this 25-foot hose as the quick connect end that we will attach to our quick connect. So in this case, we will be throwing it under the rig and we're bringing it over to the picnic area. We've got it plugged in. It's running under the rig to the other side because that's where the connection is. And so here's our test. So in a bright sun, the flames didn't show up very well, but it definitely came on. And it's running, so we'll be testing it out this evening and we'll see how it works out. We'll let you know.